Modbus protocol on any network operates as a request and read system, response system. For example, now PLC1 wants data from PLC2, so PLC1 will request a data, and respectively PLC2 will respond with the values according to the request. So that is called a request and response system in a Modbus. So in this scenario, PLC1 will be a Modbus master and PLC2 will be Modbus slave. Okay, and this is another slide. A Modbus network can have multiple devices. It's but there is one thing very important. There will be only one master, and the other all will be slave. As you can see in the diagram, there is only one master, and these other three devices are a slave. And once a device is configured as a slave or as a master, it stays the master.